Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into best Fidelity crypto features. So let's dive into it. You want to invest in crypto but still keep things simple and secure. Fidelity Crypto makes it easy, but you can buy and hold crypto or Ethereum right from your existing Fidelity account. No extra app or wallet needed. It offers zero commission trading, just a simple transparent spread, and used institutional grade cold storage to keep your assets safe offline. This same protection trusted by major financial institutions. The interface is clean, fast and beginner friendly, showing real-time chart and ease trade option. Plus, Fidelity operates under strict United States regulation, giving you a full compliance and clear tax reporting. So it's safe, simple and reliable. One of the best way to start your crypto journey with a trusted name. If you found this helpful, hit the like, subscribe for more quick finance guide, and share your thoughts on Fidelity in the comment section. And that's it.